If your brake pad warning light stays on or keeps flashing, even after replacing the pads, don't worry, here's how to fix and reset it without using a scanner. First, make sure the brake pads and sensors are correctly installed. Many cars have a small wear sensor wire attached to the brake pad. If that wire is damaged, loose, or not plugged in properly, the light will stay on even if the pads are new. Check both front and rear brakes for that connection and clean it if needed. Next, turn the ignition key to the on position, but don't start the engine. Hold the brake pedal down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds, then release it. This allows the system to recheck brake pressure and pad sensors. Now, turn the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and then start the engine. In many vehicles, this simple step resets the brake pad warning light automatically. If the light is still on, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery for about 5 to 10 minutes. This clears stored fault data in the ECU. When you reconnect the battery and restart the car, the brake warning light should disappear, if all sensors are working correctly. However, if the light comes back right away, that means there's still a problem with the wear sensor circuit, like a broken wire or faulty connector. You can fix it by replacing the sensor cable or checking the fuse related to the brake warning system. After that, your dashboard should be clear and your brakes ready to go. If this video helped you reset your brake pad warning light, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your car's make and model below. I'll help you troubleshoot it step by step.